Hey loves, today I will be showing you guys what I bought from the store. I got some new makeup, y'all, so I am super excited. So let's go ahead and see what I got. So first, we'll start off with Walgreens. I got some magnetic lashes. These were like $13.99, and I kept the receipts too. But I think these were like $13.99. So I was like, these better work because I've never paid $13.99 for one pair of lashes. But it is for the top and the bottom. And I have been saying that I wanted some bottom lashes. So I'm definitely going to shoot a video today. You guys can check that out. I'll leave that at the end of this video. And I will show you basically just me applying these lashes and if I like them or not. Okay, next, I definitely had to buy me a different eyeshadow brush because I've been watching tutorials and other people doing makeup on Instagram. And they had like a different brush. And the ones I've been using, just the tip was just a lot different. So I was like, let me go ahead and use what they're using because their makeup and eyeshadow looks really good. So let me just go ahead and cop one. And that's what I did. So stay tuned because I will be shooting another eyeshadow video and it will be the bomb. So next up, I went to Dillard's and I went to MAC. And I'm so used to going to MAC. MAC is like, I don't know if it's for beginners or what, I don't know, but that's just the only store that I was like used to going to. But I purchased the pigment and it is the, what is this? Yeah, I don't know what it's called. Okay, I'm gonna look on my phone. Okay, and this is the MAC Melon Pigment. Yeah, so I like the glittery type, like really light color on the inside of my eyes. So that's what I will be using this for. And this was like $10 and some change. So not too bad. And then I went to get the Derma Blend, the Illuminating Banana Powder. You guys, I have never used setting powder. So my video coming up, we will definitely see how that goes because I'm not the one for putting like a ton of makeup on, but I guess I'm gonna try it out and just see if I like it. Cause I do love like the lighter highlighting look on your face. So I wanted to go ahead and give that a try. So I got this, and this was like, I think it was like $31.50. Next up, we have the lovely Sephora. So here's my little bag. First up, I went and got the Cover FX, the Illuminating Setting Spray. And I think the setting spray was, what, like 20? Where is my receipt? I'm about to start guesstimating. Oh, actually, I think I know where they're at. While I'm throwing stuff around. Here's my receipt. Sephora. Dillard's. Ooh, I was right. It was $31.50. Okay. So for the setting spray was $31. So this better last me a long time because this was kind of pricey, y'all. I didn't know makeup was so dang expensive, but it is. So next up, I went and got the Hangover RX Replenishing Face Primer, and this is by Too Faced, which I really love his eyeshadow palette that I have. I don't know the name of it, but it's like the one with the glittery colors and it's like pink and stuff. I showed it in a lot of my videos. But anyway, so I went and got this. That way I can start putting a primer on my face before I apply my makeup. And that was $16, but that's because I got the mini. I think the bigger one was probably like 20 something, but I was just like, that'll be fine. So I just went ahead and got the $16 one. And then while I was standing in line, I seen the See Your Best Selfie Brightening Moisturizer and Eye Cream Set, the Banana Bright C-Rush Brightening Cream Gel. So it's like a double pack. You guys, this cost me $24. And this is just basically what you apply just to kind of like oil your face up a little bit. That way it's not super dry before you apply your makeup. So I'm going to give this a try. And I wanted to start contouring. So I bought the Anastasia Stick Foundation. This color is the walnut. So I will be using this as well in my next natural makeup tutorial. So you guys can go ahead and check that out. And that was $25. So like I said, this stuff better last a long time. Okay, and lastly, I bought the Anastasia, yeah, I think it's Anastasia, Beverly Hills waterproof cream color. And this is basically just my eyeliner, and I'll be using this as well. This cost me $18. I'll be using this as well. So once again, you guys, thanks for checking out these products with me. I love opening things. I just hate buying them with my own money. So hopefully I'll get some type of deal or something, because this stuff is starting to get a little pricey, you know. But I will definitely be using these products in my next video. So you guys make sure to tune in and check out my natural makeup tutorial. And I'll be using I'll basically be using all of these products. So you guys can definitely see how they look, how I like them, if you like them. But be sure to check out my next video. And if y'all wondering about this lovely 613 blonde wig that only cost me $60, you know what I'm saying, then you guys can go ahead and check out my video on how I turned the $60 wig into looking so good on my head. Yes. So you guys should definitely go check that video out and see how I turned a $60 wig into a bomb-ass Slade, almost like $400 type wig. So go ahead and check that video out and comment and tell me how you like it, because I would love to hear from you guys and know your thoughts. So once again, bye loves.